Okay, don't know if you can see that over there. Can't get too much closer. That is a bat house. People underestimate bats. Bats are a good thing to have. Maybe not in close proximity to you, but they have a lot of attributes. For one, they all eat insects. A small colony of bats can consume over 5,000 insects a night. And yes, for people down here in Florida, that does mean mosquitoes. Just a good thing to know for those of you who are looking into a more eco-friendly form of biological pest control. I'm here at a park close to my house. It's got boat ramps and stuff. People gonna think I'm crazy talking to myself, but oh well. Don't really care. To Florida, there are 13 native species of bats. This one is close enough to my house because they can, have a good range of their territory. You can check with your county or state extensions to find out more information on bats. There's another one down there across the road. Can't see that one too well. Many catalogs sell bat houses pre-made. You can search around and buy them online. People freak out about bats because of the rabies. Well, if you see a bat on the ground, don't go and pick it up. Use some common sense, people. Another good little critter for insect control, don't you agree? Hi there, guy. Sunning himself over here.